What's up, guys? Today kind of exciting day for me because my buddy Matt, he found a kind of a range outside. It's not range, it's kind of like on the mountain, and we're probably gonna shoot over there. So I'm waiting my buddy. So maybe not everyone knows, but I'm living in New Hampshire, and if you know kind of New Hampshire, New England, kind of mountain, like woods, forests everywhere. But the point is, it's no place to shoot because of it's everyone have their property, field, farms, and it's really no place to shoot. We have some private outdoor range, but it's kind of expensive and impossible to get in. So we'll see what's gonna be in this range. Oh my god, dude, it's like there are more people than like weekday.
Fucking crazy in there.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
What?
Too easy.
Too easy?
Too easy.
No. It's like max zoom?
Yeah, Max.
Jesus, it's your buffer sprint sucks.
I know.
I can hear. Parallax terrible. That's so easy.
No. And I got snow on my red dot, so I can't see it.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Cheap steel.
I like it. I'm surprised. Ah, that's all. What the fuck? Fuck! So I don't know what happened, or charging handle or some shit, but it hurt my lip. Yeah. So few days later, after that range, how you see, I hurt my lips and neck and also back, unfortunately. And how it happened, I think it was ricochet from target and bullet like ricochet in my lip, how you see, and neck. So in conclusion, I'm not a really good shooter. Last time I shot, I think it was 1 year ago. And about this range, it's not so far away, but it's kind of, you need like walk from your car to like, I don't know, like this mountain. So since I hurt my back, it really was hard to make that video, really hard, because I cannot sit like longer than 15 minutes, can't stand and walk, only lying. And I think that's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.